Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we are making brine chicken pasta, which is also our first video for new playlist Lavish Entree at Nominal Cost. This is really simple, easy and delicious recipe. I will be sharing with you some tips and tricks to keep in mind while making it. So please watch this video till end. Let's start making it. For making brine, take a medium to large pot and add water, bay leaf, garlic, sugar, dried rosemary, dried thyme, salt and peppercorn. Bring it to a vigorous boil, then turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Then add chicken breast and put it in a cooler for 2 hours. Time to boil pasta. In a large pot, add plenty of water and bring it to boil. Then add salt and little bit of oil. Add pasta and cook it until it is al dente, which means firm to bite. So it shouldn't be soft and mushy. It is recommended one should consume pasta dish quickly after it is tossed with sauce. Texture is an important factor for making pasta enjoyable. This is the only reason behind different shapes of pasta. Commercial pasta is made up of durum wheat flour, which is also called semolina in English and rava or suji in Hindi. If you couldn't find spaghettini, use spaghetti. Sauce is the deciding factor of choosing the shape of the pasta. Now time to take out our pasta, rinse it with cold water. Add 2 or 3 drops of oil, then cover it and put it aside. Now time to grill our brined chicken. Heat up a grill to a smoking point. Spray the oil. Add chicken at an angle for around 20 to 30 seconds. Then, with the help of tongs, put the chicken on the other half side of the griddle at an angle to give it a nice X grill marks on both sides. Then cook the chicken in the preheated oven for 20 minutes and let it rest for 5 minutes. The internal temperature should be anywhere between 140 degree Fahrenheit to 149 degree Fahrenheit. If you don't have thermometer, then use a small knife, pierce it in the thickest part of the breast. If juices come out clear and not pink or red, that indicates it's cooked. If you don't have oven, then butterfly your chicken first and then add it in your brine. And this way you can complete your cooking on a griddle only. If you want to know how to butterfly chicken, check out my chicken quesadilla video. Now heat up a saute pan, add olive oil, add chopped garlic, cook it for about 20 seconds, then add tomatoes and toss it about 20 seconds as well. Then add cooked pasta and toss everything together well just to heat up the pasta. Now add freshly cracked salt and pepper. And finally add your chopped parsley. Then serve it with chicken. For detailed information, check our description box. While boiling pasta, I used a term for the doneness of pasta, that is al dente. So now my question to you all is, what does it mean? Please give your answer in comment section so that I know that you are learning new terms in this cooking journey with me. If you like this video and my effort, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll come soon with new recipe. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.